Hi, my name is David. I'm from Canada and I'm coming to MedLInks for a beard transplant. My specific concern is filling up the patches I have in my beard right here. So that's the reason why I'm coming here today for a beard transplant. Really excited to be here. I read a lot about MedLInks online. It's one of the best clinics in Delhi region for beard and hair transplants. So super excited, we're gonna get this done and hopefully it goes well. So I just had the surgery. Everything went well. At the beginning, I was a little bit nervous about what's going to happen, but all of the doctors, all of the technicians, they were very nice. They guided me through everything. The operation room was totally hygienic. Everything was sterile. Everything was in good condition. And yeah, the surgery went well. As I mentioned, I was a little bit scared at the beginning, but everything went well. The doctors guided me through the operation and told me what was going to happen at every moment. So I was very happy with that. And yeah, this is the final result that we have. As you can see, there's lots of little dots. I'm really happy with the result. It was around 4 or 5 hours for the operation, but it did pass very quickly, I would say.